Hi guys, my name is Hrishikesh Patil. I'm a 22-year-old kid who has a full-time job as a software developer at an investment bank. And apart from that, in my free time, I like to experiment and build in different domains like Web3 and AI and use different tools and frameworks. So I'll give you a quick rundown of the things I've built in the last few months. First one is a Spotify MCP server, which I built for my girlfriend so that she can create hyper-specialized playlist based on a vibe. So these are the tools exposed by the MCP servers, and you can just write a prompt like, can you create a playlist for my girlfriend which has love songs in it, and also give it a cute name. So it searches for the tracks and it adds those tracks in a playlist, and it has created a playlist, Melodies of My Heart. If I showcase it to you in my Spotify account, here is the playlist with the 10 songs, and these are the 10 songs which have been added. So you can create any kind of playlist, hyper-specialized playlist, etc. Using the Spotify MCP server. Many of my friends also use it, and I use the stdio transport for it. If I showcase you the code, every code is in my GitHub account. Spotify MCP and the main MCP server.ts files. I use the stdio transport, and these are the tools which I've exposed, and it's a simple MCP server. Next one is Pitch Me Baby. So this is a live website which has over 300 users within 48 hours of launch. I've also launched it on product as well, and for the time being, I'll showcase you the I won't give you the live demo, but these are the screenshots. So you pitch it a random product to the voice agent, and if you win, you can claim a US dollar rewards directly. So I've abstracted away the payment system, payment SDK, so that it is very easy for the user to get paid, and that's the reason I got 300 plus users within 48 hours, and it has worked out very well for me. Next was a product called Patchway. This is also live, and the demo is here, so I'll just run you through the demo. A company can come and post bugs, and the user can come in and create their fixes here, and if the fix is approved, the user gets paid very quickly. So I'm using Payman for this, so that the payments get very quickly. So Payman basically lets AI agents handle the money transfers. So these are my 3 projects which are live and I've built in the last 3 months. And apart from that, I continuously like to experiment with different frameworks. So if you go to my repositories, you can see I've been playing around with Google ADKs right now, updated 10 hours ago. So this is one of the things which I've done. I've made different MCP servers, Payman MCP server, Payman MCP SSC server, which lets users actually create pays and send actual money or US dollars and USDC cryptocurrencies directly using Claude or directly using prompts. This is my portfolio. This is Pitch Me Baby, which is the product which I've launched on Product Hunt, and it's open source. Then there was some learning AI agents which I was doing, Vapi, AI Rag, Finance Agent, LangGraph, etc. And yeah, these are also Insideboard is also a website which is live. So this is the you can draw anything like any equation, and whenever you click on AI and you analyze it, it will give you answers. So this is the setup for it. And yeah, and also if you go to my account and you see my videos, I have all the demo videos of different websites I've built posted. So yeah, since we only had 2 or 3 minutes to pitch ourselves, this is my pitch for the AI residency, and I'm very excited to not just build solo but actually build with a team and find out how to monetize my product or how to actually grow together and network. So yeah, that's my pitch. Thank you. Hoping to get selected. Yeah, bye. Yeah, quick thing, I also forgot that we also had to showcase the actual code and 1 to 2 technical challenges which we faced. So since I have less amount of time, I'll choose Pitch Me Baby, which has actual users. So the first challenge was how to handle the payment. So I'm using Payman. So Payman lets you abstract away the complexity of letting AI agents handle money, of how you create wallets, how you send the actual payment. So this was one thing. So I learned through the Payman documentation, and this was one challenge. So yeah, you check the wallet of the user, you check you create the crypto pay for the user when he enters his wallet address, then you send the actual, first you get the balance and then you send the actual payment to the user. Second thing was I didn't want a database, so there is no database in Pitch Me Baby, and I wanted to ship quickly and fast, and I wanted the experience for the user to be very seamless. So since there was no database, there was one loophole, which was if a user wins and he enters his wallet address and he receives the amount, and if he again refreshes the page, he could again claim the reward. So that was one of the challenges I faced, and I tackled it using an in-memory JSON file. So data, and this is paid calls.json. So in paid calls, I save the call ID of the user which has been paid out. So it makes it easy for me to know if a user has already been paid out for that particular call, so no one can exploit the loophole. So this was one of the challenges which I faced, and that is how I tackled. And the front end is pretty self-explanatory. I just use Claude for the front end. And yeah, that's one of the projects.